So this video will talk about part of a new video doorbell. So this is the battery and the SD card slot, USB port for charger and reset button. And also we have the wired connection, suppose 12 to 24 voltage AC or DC connection of this camera. So first we will install the battery. So make sure to install the battery in the right direction. The right direction. This is a USB port in the Chime, and we can stick on the wall, and we can press. This is actual. So without this doorbell support this function.
Someone is at the smart doorbell.
This is actual that works with the video doorbell. When you press, the actual will sound the ring and also have the live view. So this video also supports the 12 to 24 voltage AC or DC. So we can check that this connection is DC. So it connected just to work with the connector function. You can see. So the connection is very easy. So if you have the power adapter in at home for the 12 voltage, you can use to connect like this. Okay, you just connect like this.